Welcome back, guys. This is the latest update of our new trim coatings and restores longevity test. This is update number 3, or the 2-week mark. This will be a short update, quick and to the point as to not waste anyone's time. As usual, we'll go ahead and foam everything down using Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam. Rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then of course dry before we inspect everything. We've had very little precipitation since the previous week's update, so I don't expect life-changing results this update. You can see here there are a few noticeable differences, maybe that perhaps would be early failures, like the plastic parts trim coating Meguiar's Hyper Dressing, which is not really a coating or a sealant, it's more of a dressing. So if you'd like to support the channel, all you need to do, hit that like button, subscribe, and of course comment down below if you've used any of these. If you do plan on purchasing any of these, please consider doing so through the links in the video description, as it really does help the channel out so you can continue to see tests like this one. If you're just joining us, please be sure to back up and look at the playlist for each of these series of videos to make sure you didn't miss anything. So with that out of the way, let's jump right into it and see how things are going. All right, getting into it. Top row here, there's our control. You can see it's a lighter gray. Vonix black, Adam ceramic black trim. You know, there's definitely a noticeable difference between all of these as far as the depth. So what are you shooting for? Just less gray, less faded, or do you want a black trim? This is a black panel, it's not a gray panel. Gyeon Q2 Can Coat, which is intended for paint, that's doing pretty good. McKee's, Koshimi, Malco, Lithium Trim Cubes, all those doing great. New Finish Trim Doctor, and Sharpie Pro. Sharpie Pro, I'm pretty surprised how well and how uniform that is looking. I would have figured it would have turned purple pretty quickly, but of course that's the standard black marker, not this Pro version. Sonax Extreme, Kiwi Shoe Dye, of course, and plastic parts plating. Plastic parts crystal plating. It's on its way to failure. Not looking great after 2 weeks. CarPro Deluxe, Black Magic Factory Black, looking all right. Griot's Trim and Detail, not too bad. Griot's Trim Wipes looks a little different than Cerakote and Rust-Oleum, which all three of those are pretty similar products. Meguiar's Hyper Dressing D170, you can see that it's starting to lighten up, but still doing all right. Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Trim and Meguiar's Ultimate Black and Soft 99 Tire Wax. Everything still holding up after 2 weeks. We do have quite a bit of rain expected here in the coming days, so this 3rd week update coming soon should have quite a few differences, I'm sure, with a significant amount of rain on it. So there's your update, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.